Some of the things that I tell women as part of managing your menopausal symptoms at home or perimenopausal symptoms is avoid taking too much spicy food, because that can upset your natural phytoestrogens. Avoid taking too much alcohol and caffeine, particularly at night, and that's some of the aggravating factors for lack of sleep at night. Now, avoid smoking and make sure that your diet is nutritious. Include, as I've already said, food with phytoestrogens and exercising regularly. Now, before I get into exercise, I am a big advocate for weight-bearing exercises in women who are getting closer to their perimenopause and menopausal age group. And the reason being is, as you age and as you get towards your perimenopause or menopausal state in life, your levels of estrogen, as I've repeatedly said, decreases. It has a huge impact towards your bone and your bone density. And women often, in their menopausal state, often come up with conditions such as osteoporosis. The only way you can build that up is to ensure that you've got diet that's helping you with your bone function, as well as doing weight-bearing exercises that will help develop your bone strength. And this will prevent you from getting osteoporosis and other associated conditions with bone health later in life. And excessive heat. I mean, this is a no-brainer. If you are in a hot climate, make sure you're surrounding yourself in somewhere cooler, because the menopausal hot flushes is very troublesome for some.